India is full of micro, small, and medium enterprises. And one of the biggest categories of business owners who are falling in these categories are manufacturers and traders. Unfortunately, because of lack of systems, manufacturers and traders are not focusing on growth of the business but just daily firefighting in day-to-day managerial activities. And even after that, they are not able to manage the business efficiently. And in this lesson, I'm going to share with you, if you're a manufacturer or if you're a trader or if you have somebody in your network, what are the challenges that manufacturers and traders are facing, and what are the solutions which you need to implement to systemize your business. So let's go ahead and start learning. So business automation for manufacturers and traders. So before I start, I want to ask you, are you tired of delayed orders? You get so many orders from your clients, but because of lack of systems in operations, because of flow management system, because of the order tracking system, you lose the track of your orders. And whenever client calls you that what is the status of my order, you actually get in a difficult situation. And you call your employee, ask them what's the status, and they also have no idea. Then you call somebody in your factory, and then finally you get to know that this is the order, and then you update your client, and your client gets furious because that order is already delayed. So what you need a flow management system to track all your orders and all your projects. And unless you track your orders through proper systems, doesn't matter how hard you try, you will first of all keep micromanaging your operations, your orders manually, and most of your orders will be delayed. Now I want to ask you, are you tired of poor team performance as well? Understand, alone you can go fast, but together with your team you can go far, right? So a lot of business owners have this mindset that my employees, I'll just give them the work, they will complete, and I will be taking all the ownership of business management, of growing the business. And because of which they never provide the systems and the solutions which their team requires to complete the work on time, through which their team can get the proper reminders as well, and the business owner can track each and every employee's performance. And because of which every other business owner is facing this challenge, that whenever they whenever they delegate any work to the employee, or whenever they define any key responsible activities like daily work, weekly work, or monthly work, or fortnightly work, their employees do not complete the work on time. And what we have found out, that the reason is that there's no task delegation system, there's no tracking system, and there's no reminder system, because of which employees also forget, you also forget. So your team can forget to complete the assigned work, and sometimes you also forget that आपने उनको कुछ काम दिया था, you had assigned some work to them, and you keep shouting at them, and they just keep just playing around things, right? So third thing I want to ask you right now, are you right now facing challenges in this area? Low sales conversion. Yes, you're getting some inquiries from your referrals, from your clients, but where are you managing those inquiries? Is it just on diaries or on WhatsApp or on Excel file? Now, until unless you track your inquiries stage by stage, how many inquiries are into the lead stage, how many inquiries are into the proposal stage, how many inquiries are into the meeting stage, how many inquiries are into the negotiation stage. There is no way you can remember all these inquiries, and your team can take the follow-ups all the time. So because you don't have any this kind of system, and you're managing everything on Excel files, because of which you're not able to manage and maintain your inquiries, and because of which, first of all, you're not able to categorize them, and then you're not able to plan your follow-ups, when to take the follow-up from which client. Now, Grant Cardone is one of the biggest sales trainer in the world, and he has said that when you take the first follow-up, the conversion rate chances are only 2%. When you take the third follow-up, the conversion rate increases to only 5%. And 80% the conversion of your prospect to client lies in between 8th follow-up till 12th follow-up. Now, because of lack of CRM and follow-up tracker system, Almost every other business owner and their employees just stop the follow-ups at second or third times, and because of which they lose the prospects and prospect goes to somebody else, because prospect might not have the requirement today but might have the requirement 3 months after, but you do not take the follow-up, they also forget about you and they go for the new person, right? Now I want to ask you, as a manufacturer or a trader, are you facing challenges in your inventory management? Your raw material, your finished goods, they are already lying in the warehouse and there is no tracking of the same. Your employees end up ordering the same material which is already lying in the warehouse from the new vendor again, and after a week or 2 weeks you get to know that okay, this was already there and you just wasted your cash flow, your money on buying it new, right? And after a few months you just some of the material just keep getting wasted because of the expiry date. So you need to have a proper inventory tracking system which is not built on very complicated ERP softwares, very expensive ones. Simply on Google Sheets and Google Forms you can manage all of it. Now I want to ask you, as a manufacturer or trader, how is your cash flow? How is your cash flow? I ask a lot of students of mine that are they even tracking the gross profit? Are they even tracking the net profit? Are they even tracking the account receivables, account payables? Because of lack of finance knowledge and because of lack of systems to track the finance and numbers, business owners just forget about it. And one day they go to the office or the factory and they get to know there's some problem going on, there's some firefighting going on. At the end of the month, they get to know that yes, they did a good business, but almost every payment of theirs is pending. Understand, the payment from the client might be pending, but your expenses to your employees, including salaries, office expenses, they cannot delay. So that is the reason you need to have a system where you can send automatic payment reminders as well. Right? I want to ask you, are you not able to keep track of revenue, upcoming business, expenses, or overall cash flow? So another biggest challenge business owners face is poor cash flow. Right? Now I want to ask you, as a business owner, right? Are you really growing your business? Are you really investing your time in growth-oriented activities? Or are you just frequently firefighting with your teammates, clients, and vendors on those activities, those tasks which actually can be systemized? Right? When it comes to the Google technology, using Google Keep, you can manage all your notes. Using Google Forms, you can capture all your data. On Google Sheets, you can manage all your work. Using Google Data Studio, you can have all your reports coming up. Right? Now I'll show you on how can you get rid of all these problems in some time. Now let's talk about the next problem. Working hard but not getting the desired results. As a business owner, 8 years back when I started my entrepreneurship career, I was a people-driven business owner. I used to think that if I'm good at my work, okay, I can run the business efficiently, but I was really incorrect. I was, completely wrong. Because when you're running a business, you're not only managing yourself, but you're managing your clients, your vendors, as well as your employees. Now, because of lack of systems, I was working hard, but I was not getting the desired results. And always I had this feeling that, okay, as an entrepreneur, actually you need to work 10 to 12 hours a day. But then I used to wonder that, okay, if I'm working 12 hours a day, why am I not getting the results which other companies, other competition is getting, right? And are you also feeling the same? Now, last question which I want to ask you. When it comes to the inquiries, first of all, there is difficulty in converting them because of lack of CRM and follow-up tracker. But I want to ask you, are you actually getting inquiries or not? If it's just dependent on your referrals from your clients, then you're sitting idle, waiting for somebody to give you the referrals. That's not how you scale your business. You need to have systems via which, through digital marketing, through Facebook, through YouTube, through LinkedIn, through your common network, which might not be even your clients, from them, how can you generate humongous amount of inquiries? Yes, it is all possible. Now, let me share with you the solutions which you need as a manufacturer, as a trader, to systemize your operations and to scale your business, managing everything, entire operations, working only 1 hour a day through mobile. The first thing which you need is data masters. Understand, when we talk about any systems, any automation include 3 steps: data collection, data management, and business reporting. Now, as a manufacturer and trader, a lot of us are just managing everything on either diaries or simple Excel files. And on Excel files, there are so many of spelling mistakes. There's so much of data entry, mistakes which our employees do. And a lot of them delete the data, a lot of them do a lot of spelling mistakes. Somebody's writing Gurgaon, somebody's writing Gurugram, somebody's writing Mumbai, somebody's writing Bombay. For you, these are two different cities, but for Excel, due to spelling mistakes, these are four different cities. So because of corruption in data collection, neither business owners are able to manage their data. Forget about business reporting. So first thing which you need as a manufacturing trader is data masters, right? So whatever orders you have, you need to have a clean Google sheet with details of all the orders. Your raw material, your finished goods, you need to have SKU based item masters as well. How many clients that you have served past many years, you need to have a unique database of all your customers so that you can stay in touch with them. And you need to have a vendor master as well. No business can become system driven without organizing your data. Now, how can you create the data masters? Simply by creating the onboarding forms on Google Form. Whenever you onboard a new order, you can have an onboarding form of new order generation form, Google Form, where whatever entry you want to make, you create the questions in Google Form, you fill it, and automatically in Google Sheet, you keep creating the unique order masters. The same way in item masters, whenever you have a new item, either finished good or raw material, you have an item master, you keep creating that. Whenever you onboard a new client, you have a client onboarding form. You keep, take all the details of the client, their name, their number, their company name, their GST number, their location, and a couple of other things, and then vendor master as well. So this is the first step. Second thing which you need are these. You need to have a lead tracking system, first of all, which we may call as CRM. Now, what if I tell you that using Google Sheets and Forms, you can actually track all your inquiries, and Google Calendar can remind you when you need to take the follow-up with which client? Yes, that's possible. And using Google applications, you can manage your inventory as well and your team management as well. The first thing which you need as a business owner is lead tracking system. Then you need inventory tracking system to track your raw material and finished goods. And then you need a task management system to manage your team so that their day-to-day responsibilities, without you becoming a CFO, without you becoming a chief follow-up officer and running after your team gets daily reminder from system. And when they complete the work on the Google Sheet report, you get to know how much work has been completed and how much is pending. And after that, order tracking tool to track all your orders or projects. And then finally, payment tracking and reminders tool. Whatever payments you receive, you fill it in the system, and through just on one click, you're able to send automatic payment reminders to your clients, and you're able to collect it on time. Now, after these tools, you need these systems as well. You need a proper sales report to show you the daily, weekly, monthly report, right? Top running customers, top selling products, right? And then your top performing salespeople as well, region-wise, city-wise, all these reports you need. And in Google Sheets, just in drag and drop, in just a few clicks, without any formula and without any coding, you can create it. The same way you need order delivery report, customer service report. Why do you need customer service report? Now, one person who can help you to scale your business. In 2019, I was just working out of one city. We were delivering business automation trainings and systems just from one city in India. Because of systems and because of the amazing support we gave to our students, our business owners, and the kind of results that they could never imagine they got, and they started showering the referrals and networking and so many things to us. And that's today, while I'm talking to you, we have our students, clients in 7 countries. In just 1.5 years, from 2019 to 2021, we're able to scale to 7 countries. So customer service is important. And how do you give good customer service? By systemizing it. Instead of customer calling you whenever they're having a challenge, you're busy, you're not picking up the call, you have a customer support form. Whenever customer have any challenge, they fill the form, and there is a customer support ticketing system. Okay, your employee call the client and already has the problem which client has filled the form and resolve that, and client is happy. Now, if I ask you, when you buy any product from Amazon or Flipkart, if there's a problem in the product, you do not call the owner of the Amazon or Flipkart, right? You go to the website, you fill the form, and in a couple of days the query gets resolved. But Amazon is Amazon today because when the Jeff Bezos started that company, he had the system-driven mindset. He knew that whatever I'll create, I'll think long term, right? And he came out of the comfort zone and he started, building a business which can run on its own without depending on him or any other employee. right? So you need to have a customer support system, then you need to have quality check reports and inventory report as well. And all these reports will come from these systems itself. And now you're wondering, Keval, all this is really awesome and I want to implement all this. So how can I do it? Now, before I tell you on how can you do it, I recorded this lesson so that I could make your why really clear. Why, first of all, you need to become system driven. The reason you need to systemize a business, you need to understand that the entire world is system, right? You look around, everything is upgraded, right? You used to use telephone, now we have smartphones, right? We used to have black and white television, now we have Android television, right? We used to have just desktop computers, now we have laptops, right? So everything is upgraded, but as a business owner, the way we are running the business is completely outdated. So why we need to systemize the business? First of all, is to increase the efficiency, to increase the productivity, and in less number of resources, you are also a resource, your employees are also a resource. In less number of resources, giving the maximum value to the clients. Second, why we need to systemize the business? As a business owner, we really need to relax, we really need to chill out. Because of lack of system, we are working 10 to 12 hours a day and still nothing is changing. So when we are not having any systems, we are actually not a business owner. We are actually a self-employed person who are giving salary to the teammates, bringing some salary to us at home, paying some EMIs and just chilling out. That's not how you run the business. Read a book called E-Myth, written by Michael E. Gerber, who is one of the biggest, biggest disruptor, biggest contributor to the SME sector in India. And he says, in India and abroad as well, he says 90% of the business owners struggle because of lack of systems. Now, I hope I have made your why clear. Now, how can you implement all this, right? How can you systemize your business? Now, what if I tell you that you do not need to spend lakhs of rupees on expensive ERP or CRM softwares to implement all this, and you do not need to hire a third-party agency giving them few lakh rupees per month to implement all this, right? And you also do not need to become the master of technology to learn coding and everything. What if I tell you that you just need to devote 30 to 40 minutes a day? That's it. 30 to 40 minutes a day to learn how to build systems, and in 8 weeks you become system driven. Now, how can you do this? I'm inviting you to my exclusive masterclass, okay, which is happening this Sunday. You can check out the link on the description of this video, or you can open this link called keval.co/live, and I'll show you everything which you need to actually get freedom from daily firefighting and systemize your business. Now, I'm wrapping this lesson by saying this, that business is built on two things: people and systems. And once business owners do not have systems and they're people driven, they're not running a business, they're running a circus. Okay, shift from being a circus, shift from those 90% of the average business owners to smart business owners by systemizing your business. And in this in 2 hours of masterclass, I'll show you that how as a non-technical business owners, how using Google applications like function sheets, you can systemize your business and can get the freedom from daily firefighting and can actually scale your business. So with that, I'm wrapping up this lesson. I hope you loved it. I want you to click on the subscribe button as well, and share me in the chat box, in the comment box, what was the biggest takeaway. And I want you to share this lesson with all your manufacturers and traders friend as well, and help them out. See you. Keep learning, keep automating, and keep scaling. Keval Kishan, your business automation coach, helping you to scale your business in easy way.